guys, Peter from Team Sapiens PT here. I wanted to give you guys an inside look as to some of the problem solving I've been working on with a patient with neck pain recently. So essentially, long story short, trial and error showed us that this person's neck symptoms were related to their inability to move from their upper back, their thoracic spine. So I developed some drills for them to work on, and I want to take you through some of the problems that we ran into to get an idea of how that process went during the therapy session. So essentially, I had set up a situation for them, as you see here, with two targets next to the chair, where I had them either bending side to side to reach to the targets or twisting to the wall. But essentially what we started to see happen was anytime they would twist, and this is part of the problem, is that their whole body moves with them. So some people might just say, all right, as you can see, as I'm turning, my legs are moving. I can say stop moving your legs, but they don't know necessarily that it's happening, and it's something very difficult to focus on. So really simple solution, this is why I like external cueing, is I brought two foam rollers over. If that person turns and moves their legs without getting that separation through the torso, the second they turn too much and use their whole body, that foam roller is going to fall, and they're going to get that feedback that they use their lower body to make that turn. So I set up the foam rollers right there. They can feel their legs pushing, or they'll hear if it gets knocked over, and they begin to learn that there can be separation and movement from the top without the bottom having to follow, and that's a much easier thing to learn from than me just saying don't move your legs. So part two of this is that to one side, they also were telling me that it felt very foreign to them, like they had never moved in that direction before. So I wanted to produce some challenges in that spot for them. So let's say to the left side that they were having trouble. So what I took was a dowel. We got to that point where they started feeling kind of funny, and I just had them push the dowel into the ground to just start engaging the musculature in their trunk. That's it. Maybe they start getting some feedback about what's working there. Maybe they just start learning a little bit more about their body in that position. So we did some isometrics there in that direction. And just for whatever reason, I also wanted them to work on the backside. So then I had them pick up one of the weights. I handed it to them. So I had them turn, I handed them the weight in that position. In this position now, the backside of their torso was working to hold them in that turned position. Same thing, foam rollers are still there just in case their legs start drifting. They know that they're going to hit that and they'll get that feedback. Hope you guys learned something. Follow us online. Check out our website if you want to learn more.